Assalamu alaikum one class. Yesterday we have started our unit 6, that is the Billy Goat, 3 Billy Goat Gruffs. As you see, there is a monster, and now we are starting our second page 37. First, the smallest Billy Goat Gruff goes across. Trip trap, go his feet on the bridge. First, the smallest Billy Goat Gruff goes across. As you see, the smallest Billy Goat Gruff goes on across the bridge, and its sound of its feet, trip trap. Who's that tripping over my bridge? Who's that tripping over my bridge? The monster said, who's that tripping over my bridge? Shouts the horrible troll. Troll means monster, in a loud voice. It's me, the smallest Billy Goat Gruff, says the god in a soft voice. And where are you going? This is a question, so students say like question. And where are you going? Shouts the troll. I am going up the hill to get fat on the leaves of the green trees, says the smallest Billy Goat Gruff. So student, you have to read up to these 4 small paragraphs, and then you will open your workbook. Beta, you open your workbook, page number 24. The first task is read, trace the word and match. Here are some words, you have to read it and then you will trace these words E sound. Okay, E and E having same sound. This is also having same sound, E. Like tur, E, tree, l, E, leaf, h, e, he, h, e, he. So in this way you trace these words and read the word also and write it again. Okay. No, there is just to read and trace. Only you trace these words and you will match with the picture. Like tree, you match with the tree. And the next is do the cross using word from the phonics. You have to do this cross puzzle. Like first one is B, as there is a word B, B, B. Okay. Next is second word is fur, and t is giving, and you have to write down double E, the word become feet. Number 3 is her, and the next letter is missing. You when you put E, that word become he. Okay. Number 4, there are th, r sound, th, r is giving, and double E sound is missing. When you write double E, the word become 3. Okay student, so in this way you have to fill these puzzle box with the help of double E, E, A and E sound. Okay, after completing these 2 tasks, come on page number 24, read, trace. Yes, in this page you have to trace these words and write it again, then you will match the word with the given suitable picture. It's ow sound and it's sound. Girl, girl, skirt, bird, bird, 13. So in this way, after completing this exercise, you have to complete these blanks according to this picture. The dash is going to the dash, the who is going to the house, the girl is going into the house. She has a long skirt. The house number, what is the house number is 13. So in this way you have to complete this blank sentences. You can take the words from this word box. So take care of yourself students. This is your work. You must complete your work and share your work in the group.